Hi, this is Michael with backtothefuturetrading.com. I just wanted to go over the 15-minute chart for the 6E Euro futures currency with the flux markers attached to the chart. What you need to keep in mind are that every marker you see on this chart was generated from a signal that was 6 days old. So irregardless of the price action on this chart, these markers were going to appear where they appeared. They have nothing to do with the price action that you see on the screen. In essence, the flux has looked at every one of these times going back each day in the past. So today's the 16th, looking back on the 9th, looking back on the 2nd, and asking a very complex but relatively simple question. What times, if any, does the market move in the same direction at the same time? Analyzing thousands of data bars, the flux returns these markers that appear in print at the appropriate times on the following day. So if we're studying a Monday, 2 Mondays into the past, these markers will appear the following Monday on the screen. And what you can see here is that the market started out in an inverted state. Basically, this red marker indicating that we were looking for a push down, but instead it reverses and goes the opposite direction through much of the cycle. In the course, we would teach you to recognize that a red marker at the bottom of a down leg is usually the first indication of a reversal to the opposite direction in that market. And then we see things as we get into the American session even back out as we move from 2806 into 2850, and then a reversal as predicted and repeated in the past from that level 2850 to a maximum favorable excursion of 2805, finally finishing at 2815, and now we're looking at a high of 2847. So of these signals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 out of the 5 producing moves in the anticipated directions based on historical movements. What happens when we break that down into a 5-minute chart? Well, we get more signals, more bars to analyze, and a smaller resolution. So if we're looking to pinpoint our entries, looking at market structure in that 15-minute candle bar, we would see that the following movements are available. Again, at 7:45 up into 10:30. Again, another opportunity at 11:05 down into 12:30. Then we have a signal here into 3:20, followed by the closing candle at 14:50 and down into here, and now finally we're moving up. So of all these signals, you can see the majority of them producing recurring movements. The ones that don't in reverse, I highlight with a big rectangle or a box. So if you'd like more information about how you can understand and anticipate when the market is about to move, how these movements recur in time, again, nothing to do with price. These markers had everything to do with the times of day that the market usually moves in a certain direction. Please contact us at backtothefuturetrading.com. Thanks again. We appreciate your interest.